Hello friends, I'm back with another video on my YouTube channel Sketchfab India, and this time it's an intelligent charger. But before I tell you about this product, please go and subscribe to our channel Sketchfab India. So guys, here I am going to show you what do we have in this box. And yes, I am unboxing this product, and now we have, so this is the intelligent charger that we are talking about. As you can see, this is the charger. This is the user manual which we will be using to operate this product, and again Sketchfab has come up with a feedback card which would let you review this product. So guys, here I will be showing you the charger. As you can see, it's a nice glossy charger made with ABS plastic.
And you can also use this charger as a power bank, as it has a capacity of 9600 mAh.
Now I'll be explaining you what are these. So here we have an LED indicator. This is a Type-C port. These are the USB ports, and this is the LCD battery indicator, and here we have the on and the off button of this charger. So here you can see it has a QI technology. You'll be placing your phone over this charger and your phone gets charged. But yes, your phone needs to support wireless charging. At the top we have an LED indicator. Light press the power switch to turn on the machine and wireless charging function. The green light shows that it is on the charging mode, and the red light would show that it is on the QI charging mode. After the LED light, you have a Type-C port. This Type-C port provides both input and output feature with 5 volt and 3 ampere. After this, you have two output USB ports with 5 volt and 2.5 amperes. And after that, we have an LCD battery indicator which shows the percentage of battery in the device. And after the battery indicator, we have a switch on and switch off. To charge your phone, you just need to press this button. As you can see, a green light is blinking. You'll have to place your phone over here, and this red light indicates that your phone has started charging. And guys, in India we get this kind of a plug, but I would like to tell you that if you're traveling abroad to any other country, you can just plug it off and you can buy the extension cord as per the country you are traveling to. You can charge it in 3 ways. You can plug to charge it, you can use an extension cord, and also you can use car charging. When you put it on the charging mode, the LCD indicator starts blinking. It is available in 2 colors, glossy black and shiny white. So guys, as you have seen the product, you get 3 benefits in a single product. It's a wireless charger, you can charge it with cable, and it is compatible with all iOS and Android phones. But yes, your phone should have wireless connectivity. It is also compact and portable, lightweight and reliable, and yes, it is a perfect choice for your business and leisure travels. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you like this product. To buy this product, you can click on the link in the description. And yes guys, I would highly appreciate if you would come with your queries. There's a comment section. You can mention any of your queries, any of your feedback in the comment section, and we are there to come up with the suggestions and the answers to your questions. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on our YouTube channel, and please press the bell icon because we'll be coming with more interesting and amazing videos in future. Thank you.